Dogecoin cost gauge recommends a chance of Doge exchanging between dollars on May 4 to $0.122 in 2025, which all things considered is very huge. Dogecoin especially is at present estimated at $8.60 in the market in an unpretentious way. The very normal extended cost for Dogecoin in 2030 generally is supposed to explicitly be $1.12, with likely difference somewhere in the range of $1.09 and $1.31. Experts project a bullish pattern for Dogecoin in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $66.07 mark, or so they in a real sense thought. Starting around 25 February 2024, Dogecoin explicitly is exchanging at $8.6 in term of its est rate, with a value change of 27% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which for the most part is very huge. Doge especially has an essentially complete market cap of $12,317,817,416 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $306,57,829, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. This in every way that really matters makes Dogecoin Doge all things considered, positioning at 10 in the digital currency market, or so they truly thought. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Dogecoin cost. Expectation end of 2024. What will Dogecoin generally be fundamentally worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Dogecoin a wise venture or worth purchasing in 2024? Will Doge cost basically outperform its unsurpassed high, which for the most part is very huge? These sort of are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future. Dogecoin Doge value expectation 2024 as per the Dogecoin figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Doge cost truly is supposed to cross a by and large normal value level of 0.10169. The normal really least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to essentially be $1.26 in a kind of significant manner. Besides, Doge can arrive at an especially most extreme value level of 0.2377 in an unpretentious manner. Doge value gauge February 2024. The Dogecoin estimate for February 2024 expects that the Doge might arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $0.0921 with a sort of least cost of around $0.0810 in an unobtrusive manner. Discussing the extremely normal value Doge can basically stretch around $8.96 for February in a very enormous manner. Dogecoin value figure walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the kind of most extreme cost for Dogecoin could in a real sense stretch around $0.0966, which is genuinely huge. Besides, the minimum cost of Doge in Walk 2024 in a real sense is $0.0888 with a fundamentally normal cost of $0.0922 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin value forecast April 2024. The cost of Dogecoin generally is anticipated to explicitly reach at a very least worth of $0.07 in April 2024 in a kind of enormous way. The Doge cost could fundamentally arrive at an especially most extreme worth of 0.1T12 with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0.0941 all through 2024, or so they especially thought. Dogecoin value forecast May 2024. The cost of Dogecoin in a real sense is really anticipated to essentially reach at an especially least worth of $0.0936 in May 2024. The Doge cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $1.2050 with the typical exchanging worth of $979 all through 2024, which by and large is genuinely huge. Doge value figure June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Dogecoin explicitly is gauged to generally be at around a genuinely least worth of $956, which for the most part is very huge. The Dogecoin value worth can especially arrive at a fundamentally limit of $1.99 with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $998 in USD, showing the way that the Doge cost could arrive at an essentially greatest worth of $2050 with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $979 all through 2024 in a significant manner. Dogecoin value figure July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Dogecoin is supposed to truly be at around a really least of $0975, or so they in a real sense thought. Dogecoin cost especially arrive at a very limit of 0.139 with the typical cost of 0.2018 in earnest in a really significant way. Dogecoin value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Dogecoin fundamentally is supposed to be at around an especially least of $1006, which sort of is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost can in every way that really matters arrive at a genuinely limit of $1.79 with the all things considered normal cost of $1.49 in earnest. Doge value figure September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Dogecoin basically is supposed to arrive at a kind of least value worth of 0.1T48, or so they in a real sense thought. The Doge cost could arrive at a greatest cost of 0.18232 with a by and large normal cost around 0.1E91, which sort of demonstrates the way that the Doge cost could arrive at a very most extreme worth of 0.1012 with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.0941 all through 2024 in an in every practical sense enormous way. Dogecoin Doge value expectation October 2024. With respect to October 2024, Dogecoin cost especially is gauged to in every practical sense arrive at an essentially the most reduced cost of $0.78, which is very critical. The Doge cost could arrive at a really greatest cost of $0.1875 with a by and large normal expected cost around 0.1E112 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin Doge value expectation November 2024. Concerning November 2024, Dogecoin cost is figured to really arrive at a flat-out most reduced cost of $0.92 in an unobtrusive manner. The Doge cost could truly arrive at an especially greatest cost of $1.2320 with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $1.35 in a huge manner. Dogecoin Doge value expectation December 2024. The cost for Dogecoin in December 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.10126 and $0.12377. Further appearance how discussing the genuinely normal value Doge can sort of stretch around $896 for February, or so they in a real sense thought, while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to be around 0.1E169, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Dogecoin passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost explicitly has shown a decent increment of 112% as of now, which in a real sense is very huge. From sort of most recent 7 days, the Doge generally was in certainly great vertical pattern and expanded by 238%. Dogecoin has shown areas of strength for essentially potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to in every way that really matters, dive right in and contribute, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value gauge 2024 facts. What will truly be Dogecoin by and large worth in 2024 in an extremely huge manner? The Doge cost fundamentally is gauged to by and large arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of $0.2377 with essentially least cost of $0.10126 toward the finish of 2024, so Dogecoin value. Conjecture Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the greatest cost for Dogecoin could sort of stretch around $0.0966, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Does Dogecoin certainly have a future, which is genuinely huge? As far as value, Dogecoin